Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a beautiful best out of waste organizer using leftover pistachio shells and an empty tape roll. For this DIY, you will need an empty tape roll, pistachio shells, fevicol, scissors, leftover gift wrapper or any kind of paper, even a newspaper would be fine, a piece of cardboard from a shipping box and your favorite paints. Let's get started. First, take the empty tape roll and stick the pistachio shells all around the outer surface using fevicol. Once they are set, cut a circle from your cardboard box and paste it onto one side to create a sturdy base. Next, line the inside of the roll with a scrap piece of gift wrapper, newspaper or any waste paper as I stated earlier to make it neat. Finally, give the whole outer design a fresh coat of paint, which I mean is paint the shells, the pistachio shells. And that's it. Our upcycle storage organizer is ready to store any jewelry, stationery or desk essentials. Do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. and do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.